Hi, I would like to share a brief moment with you to talk about my Shine Online with LinkedIn Academy. It's my 8-week intensive LinkedIn training that includes 8 modules to help you leverage the platform more effectively. By the way, I'm Clarine Mitchell, owner of TCM Communications. My whole passion and mission in life is to work with success-driven professionals and businesses to help you get the results that you desire and you deserve from LinkedIn. Now, in Module 1 of my Shine Online with LinkedIn Academy, it's totally focused on helping you become your biggest fan. Without being your biggest fan, it's hard for other people then to know who you are and what you represent, what you're a subject matter expert in, so that they are able to tap into you when they need someone who provides what you do. All right, so Module 1 in my Shine Online with LinkedIn Academy, 8-week program, Module 1, being your biggest fan.